The Epoxyshield system makes it easy to keep your driveway looking new. Begin with a simple diagnosis to determine your driveway's condition. Look for cracks, depressions, potholes, stains, and fading. Next, make all the small repairs so that they don't become major problems. Now simply clean your driveway and it's ready for the final step. The final step to beautifying your driveway is to seal and protect. It really is as easy as it sounds. This video shows you how to repair cracks up to 1/2 inch wide that may appear on your asphalt driveway. First, use your broom to remove loose dirt from in and around the crack area. If need be, use the screwdriver to loosen stubborn material, then sweep again. Once the crack area has been cleared of material and dirt, you're ready to apply Epoxyshield Pourable Crack Filler. If it's deeper than 1/2 inch, fill the crack with fine sand to within 1/2 inch of the surface. Cut the tip off the nozzle and carefully pour the material into the crack. Once you've filled the crack, use the plastic spatula to sufficiently level it out. Allow no less than 2 hours for the filler to cure before applying sealer. This video shows you how to repair cracks wider than 1/2 inch wide on your asphalt driveway. Depending on the size of the crack, there are 2 options in the Epoxyshield family: Epoxyshield Pothole Filler and Epoxyshield Depression Filler and Leveler. To get started, brush the crack to remove loose dirt. Use a screwdriver to loosen material if need be. When using pothole filler, use your trowel to apply material into the crack, enough to form a small mound slightly above the level of the surrounding asphalt surface. Next, tamp the material into the crack until the filler is down to the same level as its surrounding surface. Once the tamping is done, allow the material to sit and cure for at least 2 weeks before applying Epoxyshield Sealer. If you're using Depression Filler and Leveler, scoop and spread the material into the crack and level with your spatula. Allow material to cure for a full 24 hours before driving on or applying sealer to the surface. This video specifically focuses on repairing depressions that may appear on your driveway. Before you begin, be sure to clean and clear the problem area of contaminants. If using Epoxyshield Depression Filler and Leveler, fill the depression with material and smooth the surface over using your trowel. For deep depressions, work in increments of 1 inch thickness. Allow the filler 1/2 an hour to set before adding a second layer. Repeat as necessary until the depression has been fully corrected and the area of the depression is at the same level as the surrounding driveway surface. Allow the material to cure for 24 hours before driving or sealing over. This video will show us how to effectively clean and remove oil-based and other kinds of stains that, if not treated, will prevent the driveway sealer from adhering to the asphalt. Begin by sweeping away any loose dirt or dust. Then apply a generous amount of Epoxyshield spot cleaner on the stain and let stand for 15 minutes. Once you've allowed the spot cleaner to work on the stain, scrub the area thoroughly with a stiff bristle brush or broom and rinse with water. This segment of our how-to guide deals with the protection and beautification of your asphalt driveway. You should have completed all cleaning and repairs necessary before reaching this point. Once your driveway is ready for sealing, simply open the container and roll right out of it. Using a cross-roll technique gives you better coverage and ensures that your asphalt surface is coated sufficiently. Remember to maintain a wet edge at all times.